Hello, INVOLI team welcomes you to this new video. The growing network of INVOLI's receivers is collecting large amounts of information, which can be useful in many ways, from the traffic monitoring and warning to estimating mid-air collision hazards for specific locations. Today we want to talk about the process of determining an aircraft's position based on multilateration. Compared to expensive and difficult to set up the primary and secondary radars, multilateration is a reliable and cost-effective alternative way of determining the position of the aircraft that emit transponder signals. Aircraft equipped with an ADS-B system readily provide information about their position, which is taken from the onboard GNSS instrument. Usually, the ADS-B position sent during normal operation and under usual conditions is trustworthy. But in some cases, it can be spoofed or erroneous, and to detect this, multilateration can be useful. In this case, we talk about ADS-B position validation. Let's now see the theoretical foundations of multilateration. Each receiver will receive the same message from an aircraft and measures the time of reception with tens of nanosecond accuracy. Each receiver will measure a time of reception slightly different. We call it a time of arrival. Then the messages will be sent to the INVOLI.live server, which will calculate the time difference of arrival, and by comparing them, we'll be able to calculate the set of possible positions of the airplane in the time when the signal was transmitted. The intersection of the spheres drawn for different receivers shall unambiguously show the position of the aircraft in the moment of sending the message. The most critical aspect of the multilateration is the synchronization in time of all the receivers with tens of nanosecond accuracy. This synchronization between receivers is done using GNSS. Theoretically, 3 receivers are sufficient to determine the aircraft position. But in practice, due to many factors, which are beyond the content of this short video, we recommend using at least 5 receivers to achieve the satisfactory accuracy of the position estimation. Typically, the horizontal error for multilateration is 150 meters. An important factor in the precision of multilateration is the spatial distribution of the receivers. The receivers are forming an area inside which the location estimation is the most accurate. Going outside of it, the accuracy of position is degrading quickly. Such processing is possible for any signal type, ADS-B, Mode S, Mode AC. For the signals carrying the position, the validation of the reported data is the biggest advantage. INVOLI team, thank you for your attention.